Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the VirtualDaos token. Name of the token is VirtualDaos, all one word. Ticker symbol is DAOX. Now this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 27th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the VirtualDaos token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So virtualdaos.ai is the web page, and over there you can find a full document section. You go to docs.virtualdaos.ai. It'll take you right to the docs. They also have some socials. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. Now, it was just announced on Twitter, on X. It says VirtualDaos, where AI agents meet DAO intelligence, is being listed tomorrow, January 27th at 10 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search the ticker symbol DAOX, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token is on the SUI blockchain. You can find it on SUI Scan. Their Twitter is at VirtualDaos, and their Telegram is at virtual_DAOs. So at VirtualDaos, we believe that AI is the driving force behind the evolution of decentralized organizations, and our vision is centered on 2 core pillars. Number 1, DAO funds, shaping the future of autonomous organization. VirtualDaos empower DAOs to operate with unparalleled efficiency and adaptability. By integrating AI at their core, DAOs becomes more than a community. They evolve into an intelligent, self-sustaining network capable of making data-driven decisions and optimizing outcomes for all participants. And number 2, AI agents simplifying decentralization. Our AI-powered agents transform the way users interact with Web3. From automating complex tasks to providing intuitive interfaces, VirtualDaos bridges the gap between blockchain technology and mass adoption, making decentralized systems accessible to everyone. VirtualDaos isn't just an AI platform, it's the bridge to a new era of decentralized intelligence. Whether you're an AI innovator, a data enthusiast, or a visionary exploring the boundaries of machine learning, VirtualDaos unlocks the potential to transform how AI integrates with the decentralized world. AI isn't just a tool, it's the driving force behind autonomous, adaptive, and efficient systems that optimize outcomes for every participant. Join us on this groundbreaking evolution to create a smarter, AI-driven, decentralized ecosystem. Together, we'll redefine the possibilities of artificial intelligence and shape the intelligent infrastructures of tomorrow. A new era of AI-driven decentralization. Here, you are not just participating, you're co-creating and co-owning intelligent digital agents built to excel, evolve, and drive value. With virtual DAOs, we empower you to shape a future where AI and decentralization converge, unlocking endless possibilities for growth and innovation. You can unleash your imagination, build, adapt, and prosper with virtual DAOs, the next frontier in decentralized intelligence. So it makes DAO governance seamless and scalable. Token holders can interact with AI-driven insights for informed decision-making or participate in independent voting. Simplifies intricate tasks like proposal evaluation and resource allocation, saving time and effort. It democratizes access to DAO creation. Supports decentralized organization setup for communities and projects of all sizes. Tokens can be created and integrated into SUI's ecosystem with ease, fueling growth and participation. Virtual DAOs is co-owned by its community. Token holders shape the ecosystem through proposals and votes. Revenue generated from the platform activities is distributed to benefit the DAO community. Virtual DAOs is powered by a state-of-the-art AI and blockchain tech. AI agents act as the intuitive assistants, managing governance processes, analyzing data, and executing strategies autonomously. Tailored solutions ensure DAOs operate efficiently and evolve dynamically with their members' needs. With virtual DAOs, every participant becomes a vital part of the decentralized journey, contributing to a smarter, more connected ecosystem. Join us and shape the future of intelligent, autonomous organizations. So they have the IP agents and functional agents. So it says most virtual DAOs agents are IP agents representing unique personalities or characters that resonate with the community, much like virtual beings. They can range from familiar figures to cute pixelated cats, knights, robots, anime characters, etc. So they have here scroll down here, let's get to the tokenomics. So to foster a robust, thriving ecosystem, Virtual DAOs has crafted a rounded tokenomics and distributed strategy for the DAOX token, emphasizing fair initial circulation, community incentivization, and long-term sustainability. The total supply, 1 billion tokens. 15% of the tokens will go to liquidity and central exchanges, 10% to private sale, 5% community, 20% ecosystem, and 50% goes to the subscriptions. Now, there's governance, there's payment for advanced governance features, and there's community reward mechanisms. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And if you want to help support the channel, you could hit that join button. And one thing I don't tell people enough is that if you want to stay up to date with what videos I'm posting immediately as they come out so you don't miss any new trending tokens, you can hit that notifications bell and be notified as soon as I upload a video. So make sure you do that as well. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.